What's up, guys? Got a couple parts today for the my Element Enduro build. I got a couple brass things, help weigh it up and then make it look a little cooler. So check these bad boys out and then I'll be installing these things. So we got brass diff coupler. We put this on the front, and then we have the Enduro brass rear weights. They just hang on the rear axle there, get a little more weight, help keep everything weighted down. Still waiting for the brass front knuckles to come in, so we'll help get a little more weight in the front also. These kind of do that same thing, since you don't really put a knuckle in the back, you just the axle over, so it kind of does the same effect as having that in the front. So for today, just going to be sprucing up the front, adding a little bit of weight, tossing these in the back and adding a good amount of weight, and wait for the rest of the stuff to come in.